What if I told you there is a simple financial principle that can turn small amounts of money into life-changing wealth, and it doesn't require luck, it doesn't require timing the market, it just requires time. It's called compound interest, and once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Compound interest is when your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning their own returns too. In simple terms, it's interest on your interest. Imagine you invest $100 and earn 10%. Now you have $110. The next year, you don't just earn 10% on your original 100, you earn 10% on the full 110. And that cycle just keeps repeating. That's compounding. At first, the growth looks really slow. But over time, something amazing happens. The growth starts accelerating. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. At the top, it's tiny. But as it rolls, it gathers more and more snow, growing faster and faster until it's huge. That's exactly how compound growth works with your investments. Time is what makes that snowball bigger. Let's compare it to people. Person A starts investing at 20 years old, and person B starts at 30. Both invest the same amount every month. Even if person B eventually invests more money overall, person A can still end up with significantly more wealth simply because they started 10 years earlier. Compound interest rewards early action and it punishes delay. This is why starting small today is so much more powerful than starting big later on. A lot of people say, I'll start investing when I make more money, but waiting costs you more than you think. Every single year you delay, you lose precious compounding time, and that time is actually more valuable than making larger deposits later. Remember, time in the market beats trying to time the market. Compound growth works best in long-term strategies like stock market investing, especially with index funds, retirement accounts, and reinvesting your dividends. It does not work well with short-term trading or if you're constantly withdrawing your money. Compounding requires patience. So, if you want it to work for you, just do 3 things. Start early, invest consistently, and reinvest all your earnings. It's simple, but incredibly powerful. So let's recap. Compound interest is when your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning even more returns. It starts slow, but over time, it can become an unstoppable force for building wealth. Here are 3 things you can do today. Start investing, even with small amounts. Stay consistent with your contributions, and always think long-term. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, through the magic of compounding. If this video helped you understand compound interest, please hit that like button, subscribe for more investing basics explained simply, and comment below. When did you start investing? Or when do you plan to start? Thanks for watching.